Hi YouTube, Steve Outdoor Review. So today we're going to do part 2 of the fire pit. So we're going to go outside, we're going to light the little bad boy, try and get it going, and then we'll see how it looks. So here goes. So a little bit of my firelighter, my homemade ones there. A bit of twigs and some big logs that have been dried out from the father-in-law. So let's see if we can get this bad boy going. You know, this wood is dry. The father-in-law has a wood burning fire, so he dries it out at home. Oh, sorry guys. So he dries it out at home. So let's see how this bad boy goes, eh? See if we can sit you there. So what I thought, guys, is I'd just do a little trial one today, just to see how it goes, how it burns, how easy it is to clean up, pack away. Got some water on the side just in case. Yeah, I just thought after the last few days I'd cheer myself up with a bit of heat, cup of tea outside. So yeah, as you can see, it's burning pretty well there. Really quick and easy to light with them firelighters that I made from a previous video. Oof. Some heat off that. Give you a quick look. What I did is I put some foil in the bottom, just a trial really, see how that worked with regards to cleaning. See if it hampers it with the airflow. If it doesn't, I'll continue to use foil. That's proper going, that. That was really quick and easy to light. I was, you know, you don't need to go spending silly money on fire pits. Just washing machine drum. Simple. So what we'll do, we'll leave it burning for a bit. I'll make myself a cup of tea and we'll come back and see how it's getting on. See you later, YouTube. So, made myself a brew. A bit weak though, really. Fire's going nicely. Fire pit heat is fantastic. Wood smoking a little bit, but I don't think it's as dry as the father-in-law led me to believe. A couple of pieces left. We didn't. It was just to try it, really, just to see how it went. Yeah, I've been suitably impressed. My veg coming on. Give you a quick look. My herbs. My carrots starting to come through. Beetroot. Parsnip. Sweet pepper. And a little chilli plant under my my polytunnel. Seeing better there, I suppose. So yeah, doing a video on that at some point. It's burning away nicely. Let's throw these last two on, and we'll go back in. So yeah. Best had in the world mug. Pay 60-70 quid for a proper, you know, wood burner, if not more. This is the future, people. £10 for a washing machine drum. Something nice about sitting around a fire, drinking a cup of tea. It's quite chilling and relaxing. I mean, obviously I could fill that thing with wood and have it absolutely raging, but like I say, I just wanted to do part 2 and the wife's away, and I thought, why not, let's set stuff on fire. Be interesting to see how quick it cools down as well. I accidentally touched it leaning over a minute ago when I stopped the film, and yeah, bloody hurts. It's hot. That's starting to really go now. Look. Woohoo! happy bunny. So, thank you Sean Hawkins for putting the idea in my head. Cracking idea it was as well. I'm just wondering if I had a gazebo over the top of me, one of them pop-up ones. I'm having a bit of a party on Saturday. Thought we've had a bad weekend with the flood, so let's have a bit of a World Cup party for the lad and cheer him up as well and stuff like that. So we've got some friends coming over. We've said we'll have a barbecue, wind, rain or shine, and we themed it. We've said everyone's got to bring snorkeling gear. But I'm just wondering whether I could get this out. Put a gazebo out here, and everyone sit underneath it. I don't know. C'est possible. It's just starting to spit. Blue sky again over there though. A little bit over there. This is my garden. Not much at the moment. Like I say, veg patch over there, herbs there. Got some sweet corn and stuff growing in a little propagator inside the house. See the spots of rain forming. Patio could do a blooming good clean. So yeah, it's not an interesting video guys, I just thought for those that wanted to see it in action, see it burning. I've actually got a load of paper that needs shredding, so I might not bother, I might just throw it in here. Incinerate it. Why not, eh? See, the flames have died down a little bit, but the wood's still burning nice. I mean, easily cook on that. Oh, sorry guys, I'm going to get myself a little grill to go over the top and got a little barbecue. Got a million and one ideas running through my head. So, anyway YouTube, you'll have to excuse me today, my hair's not done or anything. I've been cleaning up again from the weekend. Like I say, wife's away, sat at home, football's on in the background. Bit of a football nut myself, but I just couldn't be bothered with it today. I went in the garage for something, saw the fire pit sat there, thought I've not tried it yet, so why not? So yeah, highly recommend it. Get yourself one of these. If you can pick one up from free, bonus. If not, go to your local washing machine repair place. Apparently they get a tenner scrap from, so they're happy to let them go for a tenner. Don't know if you can see it, but there's the base. Don't know how hot that is. Wow. I expected that to be really hot for some reason, I don't know why. The bottom's warm, so maybe. The bottom's warm but it's not hot. Like, not. I reckon I could pick that up and move it from the bottom. Not that I suggest it, don't try that at home kids. Well, that foil's obviously doing a better insulating job than I thought. I don't know if you can see that. No, it's not really focusing, is it? No. But yeah, there's I put foil at the bottom. It's not restricted the airflow or anything, so I think that's the way to go. Foil at the bottom. Light it with one of my firelighters. Yeah, I'm really happy with that. So cheers again, Sean, for the idea, and thanks, Dad, for buying it me. Right, well that's it, YouTube. I'll leave you with that. That's it's been a long video actually. I think we're on 17-18 minutes. So yeah, that was part 2 of the fire pit. Hope it's given you a bit of an idea, a bit useful. So take care guys, look after yourselves, and stay safe.